how to increase your limits on Cash App. Now Cash App will by default put a limit on a free account, which means not necessarily a free account but an unverified account. But if your account is verified, you can remove all those limits. To view and increase our current limits, just tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and once you do that, simply scroll down and here you'll find the option that says limits. So just tap on it. Now this is my current limit. I can send and receive up to $1,000 per month and $1,500 in total over a lifetime, and I can only have cash balance up to $1,000. But if I want to access the higher limit, I can just tap on the verify identity option. Now you need to be a valid UK or a US citizen in order to verify your identity on Cash App. Just tap on the continue button. Depending upon your region, it will ask you for a couple of other information. So first you want to enter your date of birth right here and then tap on the next option. On the next page, it will ask you to simply enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. So go ahead and then enter the last 4 digits. If you're on the UK, you might have different interface, by the way. Then you can tap on the next option, and when you tap the next option, it will ask you for other information like your legal details such as your first name, your last name, your addresses, and it will also ask you to upload a legal government issued document like your passport or driver's license or your citizenship or national identification card. And after you've verified all of that, then Cash App will remove the limits from your account. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.